Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how you can use UEW map in your material. And also if you are new in my channel, please like, share and subscribe. And now don't waste your time, let's get started. Here I will start with how you can find your materials. So open your browser and search type of material with texture and also write seamless material. So I write seamless material as you can see. So seamless material, when you use material and the boundary of this material is also same when you uh, apply this material in 3ds max file, so you do not uh, get any patches between two images. So I will show you in first. I will download some materials from here. As you can see that I open 3ds max file and also I make one box and I add HDRI image in background. So as you can see that HDRI image. Now I will tell you how you can apply material in your object. So simple, you need to press M. So you get material editor and these are the 24 different material you can add at the same time. So when you use V-Ray, so at that time you need to go standard and take V-Ray material. Simple click here. So you can see that V-Ray material is here, and also you need to drag and drop for all materials because these all are material is standard. So you can add when you need more than 24. So now how you can get material? So simple, take it V-Ray material and click here in diffuse, go to bitmap and find your location where you save your material. So I go to there. So you can see that I use three different types of materials, but I use this material so you can get actual idea. So simple, open. So you can get your material when you select and this button is assigned. So you need, when you press it, your material is apply on in this box. If you do not show your material, so simply go here, show standard material in viewport. So click it and you can see that your material is there. Before moving forward, I will show you how you can apply glossy reflection in your material. So that is the reflect. So it shows the reflection on your material. When you decrease the value from top to down, so at that time it increase the reflection. You can see that when you reduce the value of this 12.6.85, so you can see the reflection of this material. So this is the light, so you can see this kind of reflection. If you decrease the value 0.65, so it shows the matte finish, and it's near to what it steel material. So when I use it 0.996, so it's work like mirror. When I use value near to 1, it shows the more reflection. Now reflect, this is the one type of opacity. When you decrease the value, so object is transparent. You can see that. Also you can see that in our model. So you can see that the transparency of this object, you can see that value is 0. You can see that the transparency is 0. But when you decrease the value, you can see that transparency is increased. So now I stop here. Now I will tell you about UEW map. So you can see that texture of this model is large in this area, small in this area. So it is so variation is there in this material. You need to go to here, modify panel, in modifier list. Right here UEW. You can see that UEW map. When you click it, you can see the difference because UEW map is apply on this object. So I close it and you can see that is the parameters of UEW map. You have many options: planar, cylindrical, spherical, box, face, XYZ. XYZ you use in here, XYZ tiling. You can see that when I use here play, when you value 0.5, you can see the little bit tiling. If you reduce this value, you can see the tiling here. So I take it as a 1. I use box because this is the box material, so you need to use box. And also you can use box material for your many objects. So I use as a box. Now you can see that this saffron lining is shows the material texture which I download, and you can see that our material is start after this line. So it is the page. As I said, when you use seamless material, you do not get this kind of line here. As you can see that when I use face, at that time material is applied on face. You can see that. Now if you want to change material texture, so you can go to here box, then UAW map, and you click on gizmo. So you can see that the line of this material is different from saffron to yellow. So now press R and you can increase and decrease of this material value. So you can see that material is changed. So you can see that the line here. So if you want to remove this line, before removing this line, you can also set your material from here. So now if you want to change this direction of this horizontal line, you need to press E and you can rotate it. As you can see that your material is rotated. You can see that. If you want to move in horizontal vertical, so you can box is moving only same direction. So you can see that it's look great. You can see that. So now you can see that the material of this box corner is quite good. So now I will tell you how you can remove this line. So you need to go back to your material, click here on material, and coordinates your material. So you can see that here environment and structure when you need background. So at that time you need to click here environment and select this option. But it is our texture, so I use texture. And now you can see that the difference when I use a mirror of these tilings. You can see that when I use mirror, line is gone away. So also you have many options. You can mirror both the sides, so you can see that it's quite good. So this is the end of today's tutorial. I wish it is helpful for you for using UAW map. If you have any queries related to FreeSmax file, you can message me on Instagram and Facebook. I give both the link in my description, so you can easily contact me. Now I will meet with one new tutorial, and which is HDRI.